What's going on, guys? Well, RX Nation 87, branch off of CZ Nation 87. You already know what it is. LSA swap 1987 RXC L1. You know what is Dragon's L1? Well, 2000 Mustang. It's gonna be a Coyote swap. Let's get right into the video. That's how my stereo is. Hear that? Listen. Yeah, see? It's the subs. So yeah, I want to start with this. Start with the... no, that's too big. Should be this size here. No, seriously? Here you go again with the drums. This should be enough. No, seriously? I already have it set where I can disconnect these header bolts. Let me get started on the header bolts first. I don't have enough room on my camera, so that sucks. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to get back to you when the headers are off. I don't know, my phone is just being stupid with this fucking space shit. Excuse my language. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take off the fuel line. I'm gonna take the bar, headers, fuel line, the bar, coil pack, and whatever else I can do to that. Sorry that I can't show you the process. It shows that I have 14 minutes and 59 seconds left available on my phone. We'll check you out when this is unbolted off. All right, guys. So the bar is officially now it's taken off. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all this stuff off until we get this dropped in here. Once we have that dropped in here, then we put everything back together, including that. So to make clear for the thing, had to unbolt everything. And I took the brake booster out along with the master cylinder and stuff like that for the teardown. I know I did all that work. Seems like I did all that work before nothing. I did. If you really look at the gist of everything, no, I didn't do it all for nothing. If you look at the bright side, I have everything prepped and ready for the LSA swap. All I gotta do is the final bolts, well, the final bolt downs and the fluids, and we'll be right back to where we were. I'm gonna continue with the harness, the coil packs, the plugs, because I'm gonna transfer them over. So I deleted some stuff on my phone. It's forcing me to upgrade. It's forcing me to pay money to upgrade. I am going to have to spend the money and upgrade it. Hopefully it's not a scam with Verizon, and ask them what is this about. So I'm like, look, they're just telling me that I need to buy this to have more space. Is it a scam? What can I do? So I'll find out when I get the Verizon. So I got the flex seal sensor off, got the fuel rail off, I'm taking off the coil packs, I got the brake booster off. Take the spark plugs out, clean them up and put them over on the LS. And I think I'm gonna move the harness, and we're gonna see what else can we break down. I would have filmed most of this, but due to the fact that I cannot because of the space that is saying that I do not have, and I have to buy shit. Like I said, I'm gonna go to Verizon and I'm gonna figure out what's going on, see if this is a scam or not. Header bolts right here, you can see I have the headers unbolted on that side. You can see the harness is moved out. I'm disconnecting the harness. Move this piece. And for the throttle body, that piece is going as well. And I'm just really just breaking down into this engine and just disconnecting things, taking things apart. Boom, look at that, see? I'm gonna do this though, put it right here, because so no wasps come in here. Disassemble them. I was like, while I'm at it, I kind of remembered that they were too long. So I went and cut them. When a new one comes in, I can just have this come down here and it'll come right in there. No bends or no nothing for the coolant flow. That's all stuff for the throttle body is all. Thinking, should I take the intake manifold off? I'm thinking, I don't know yet, but I'm thinking, should I take the intake manifold off for it to be an easy takeout? Again, should I take the intake manifold off? I take off the heads, take off both the heads and the intake manifold.
Oh, she did it! She did it!
Header's all harness is half off. Flex fuel, the fuel rails is off, coil packs is off, and I had to take these off. I'm trying my best to keep the AC in there. If I have to, I'll do it when this engine's out. That way I can get a good seal, figure out how to modify that corner. And so it's easy for me to take the spark plug out. There might be 4 parts to this video. The last part, pulling this out, and just pull it off in the meantime. I haven't seen this strip since I was over at Ken's. It's been a while since I've seen this strip. I haven't seen this strip in a long time. And it's just like, it brings back flashbacks to back when I was a Ken. So I figured that I'd do this on film. Kind of lied and I said I wouldn't, but I kind of did. So see if I can do it. Yeah, see? Yep. I lied. I said I wasn't going to do it, but I ended up doing it anyway. It's like an actual damn teardown. And I wasn't going to do it. I'm like, I was at like the point of no return. I'm like, oh, what the hell now? We take this one out, twist this one out, twist this out. And I'm actually going to be selling this actually. Actually, 150 bucks is yours. LS2, or LS1, LS2, and LS6 cathedral head. 150 bucks is yours. Of course I'm going to clean it. I'm not going to sell it to you like that. I'm going to clean it, and it's up to you to do what you want. Take this all off. I said don't, and you don't want this. So we actually end up doing a lot more in this thing. Well, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 with 120 gigs. That's just what I don't get. Lift it up, can we? There it goes. Oh man, there I use some force. Lift it up. There we go. Yep, see? Oh man. Some stuff got down here. Oh jeez.
Oh jeez. Okay.
I haven't seen like this in a while. Should I take this completely out? Should I take this completely out and just like put a towel over it? I think I should. I can use 2 hands. I'm gonna take this completely out. I want to take the intake manifold off. I didn't think I was gonna get this far. I didn't think I was gonna get this far into the teardown part 2. It was just simple things. It's like more of those, well, since I'm already here, I might as well do this. So since I'm already there, I might as well do that. So, let me take this off. Eminem is definitely better than MGK, but that is one MGK song that will always and forever be a fucking classic. And it's out. It is out. Took it off. There's fuel inside. Yeah. Yeah, it's not good fuel at all. Now, guys, we are here, okay? We are here. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I said I had to, guys. I had to. Let's play Snapdragon. It's like it's just right there. I was trying to do a mock-up to see what's going on. Yeah, that's cool. This is essentially what it's gonna look like when this is inside. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh. This is just like, wow. Oh, basically the real reason why I put this in here is because I wanted to get a real actual mock-up of how I wanted it to connect, the modifications I might have to do. And my battery life is then. I just wanted to check to see how much space it actually would have. Yeah, see, I knew, like I said, I put that there. I wanted to see how that would look. I want to test for hood clearance. It's not looking too promising. Looks like it's gonna, well, I am gonna have to get my secret part without the lid though. Yep. So let me take this all back out. Put the towel over that because I gotta finish doing stuff behind the scenes with that. But I figured as I was doing the teardown, I put that back on. I don't want wasps and stuff coming here. I'm done for the night. This is the one I put in my room. These are definitely going in my room. I'll put back in here eventually. That's essentially it. That's essentially it. Should have taken this picture with the supercharger in there, but it is what it is. So it is in fact the next day. I called Verizon. I talked to Verizon and they said it's cost. Okay, it's not a scam. First, like I said, I put this back in here because I wanted to cover the holes because I don't want wasps and stuff to get in. And like I said, I'm still moving the harness around. Checked. I called Verizon and said it's not a scam. You won't get billed anything. It's free, but it'll bill it next time in case you still want it. It gave me 100 gigs free, and I'm at like at 21. Be a while. Give it a couple of days and cancel that subscription. The harness is somewhat out. Like I said, the harness is mostly out. The only thing that I have to do now, since this is right here, see if I can show you. Harness is mostly out here. Unwrap this, pull this out of here. Because how I have it is it's wrapped inside and it comes inside and then it goes outside. Again, this is the harness. It's mostly, yeah, see, it goes into here and comes out here. Yeah, just unloom that, get that all done and out of here. Next video should be about me unbolting the head. I don't want to unbolt the head. Much more easier pull out. So I'll unbolt the head. Kind of want to take these injectors out. Well, yeah, I want to take these injectors out. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to cut the old harness out and splice these together. Now it gives me a lot more room to actually work inside. I can actually step inside of the engine bay. It's not much to actually really do, honestly, if anything at all. Let me see something. But when I say I need to see something, I need to stop doing that. Why? Where is it at? I'm gonna show you. Well, if you don't know what these are, they're for the water pumps. I need to stop saying it. Let me see something because now I just took apart the water pump as well. Now the water pump off. I need to stop saying let me see something because I continuously always see something. Now, this is a part where it's not going to stay together. So let me pull this off. Can I do this with one hand? Yeah, one. Can I get this one with one hand? Yeah. Get this in one hand. Yep. And do this. I said I was going to keep this on so no mess to get on here, but now the water pump is out. I'll show you. Yep. Now the water pump is out. It's consistently just tearing this down. So that the water pump's out. That's the part. So I think I'm just going to take the heads off, and the more I'm doing right now, the less that I have to do for the pull out. So water pump's out. Mad that my other water pump didn't come with water pump bolts, but these are brand new water pump bolts. So this is going to go towards the other one as well. But I'm going to bring this inside so I can pull this off and attach it to the other one. So I don't know why I never thought about doing this before. Now that I thought about it, I was like, it's a good idea that I do this. So for anybody who is actually tearing down their engine to prevent wasps and stuff, be sure to plug up your holes. I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't think about this before. But I've made sure that I plugged all of my holes up with toilet paper. It's gonna stay there until everything is ready. Wasps definitely try to make a nest in every little hole that they can. See where that little clay mark is? A wasp try to make a nest in there. I know it wasn't deep enough, so it didn't do it. But they were trying to make a nest in there. So make sure, and for a little extra insurance, make sure you spray. And spray those little holes right there. Spray for the little holes. And they hate that smell. For some reason they hate that smell, so I'm spraying down everything. I try to spray down this, even though it's kind of bad. Since I'm in an area where a lot of wasps like to make nests, I try to spray as much as I can, at least like once a week, and I also spray inside the car as well. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. TZ Nation 87, the multi-channel, Dragon ZL on Facebook, Instagram. They're all down in the links below, YouTube as well. Hope you like this video. We did a lot for stage 2. Not stage 2. We did a lot for number 2. Number 3 should, take off the heads and pull it out, actually. Well, take off the heads, disconnect the battery cable. I'll leave the start on, but take the motor mounts, well, unbolt the motor mounts, take the heads off, and pull it out. And disconnect a few stuff over there. Pull it out, pull the harness out. So I thought it was going to be 4, but now it's going to be 3 because I bought extra space and allowed me to record for the next day. I got to get ready to do this stuff because I'm about to go to work. How much space? So we'll do that and go to work. So with that being said, be sure to follow God, because without God, none of this stuff is even possible. Always keep God in your heart first and foremost. Read Matthew. Matthew chapter 6, verse 3 to 6. Read that. Bible quote of the day. So with that being said, be sure to keep it TZ all the way to the end, guys. Take care. Have a great day, guys. Boom!